Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you.
Hey babes, and welcome to Prrrcosmetics YouTube channel. Today we will be taking an inside look on how we achieve our natural hair blowouts. Let's get into it. First, we are going to shampoo the hair. One thing I want to point out in this clip is how her hair did not lather during the first shampoo. This indicates that the hair is still dirty, so we must shampoo again. Once you see suds and have rinsed the hair completely clean of shampoo, you can now move on to the conditioning portion of the blowout. When conditioning, spread the conditioner all over the hair from root to ends. Massage your client's scalp and put them to sleep. This is how you keep them coming back, okay? A detailed shampoo and conditioning routine will be uploaded for you soon. Now this is the part of the hair transformations that you all don't get to see. Before we start the detangling process, I like to go in with the Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum and part the hair into 4 sections. You can use any heat protecting product, whether that be a serum, spray, or cream. Just make sure that you take your client's hair porosity and density into consideration because you don't want your blowout to be weighed down. After detangling the hair from ends to root, we will begin to stretch the hair with the blow dryer and the brush of your choice. You can use a paddle brush, demi brush, or round brush. The goal is to use the brush that will give you the most tension and won't hurt your client's head. Now before we go any further into this video, let's talk about how my little cousin was sitting here looking crazy the whole time, y'all. Baby, she was side-eyeing me and everything, baby. It was too early for her, okay? And then the camera crew was behind us, so she's shy and she's just sitting there looking at these folks like, okay, like, all right, Kat, what you got me into? But anyways, back to the video. Okay, I slowed this clip down to show this important step. Once you have stretched the hair, you will start to leaf the hair. This technique is commonly called the tension method. Placing the brush along the subsection of the hair, you will pull the brush up and over as displayed in this clip. Hovering the blow dryer in a back and forth motion over the hair that's being pulled by the brush. Continue this technique from roots to ends all over the head. This will result in the famous one-pass flat ironing. Now, I know you are asking, what is being done here? As you can see, the hair can be stretched with a wide tooth comb as well. Top secret. Here you will see all of the steps I just went over being performed in this fast motion clip. Look at how straight her hair is before the flat ironing process. This is the type of results that you want to see after a good blow dry. Once again, we are going to part her hair in 4 sections and start flat ironing her hair using diagonal parts. So we did not do a detailed step-by-step clip on the flat ironing, trim, or styling. Lucky for you, I have already recorded a detailed video on how to do it that will be uploaded soon. I do hope that you enjoyed the rest of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We do post new videos every Sunday at 3 p.m. And if you are in the Columbus, Georgia area or close and want to become a Prrrcosmetics babe, the link will be listed in the description box.
one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl,
Ooh, look at that body. Those girls are so nice. Thank you so much, and we will see you all in our next video. Bye.
another woman that can take your spot, my love.